Yo, what's good YouTube? Professor Mike here, back again. Welcome back to the channel. And today we're gonna go over we're gonna put this car back to stock on the tune. So right now, as you guys know or don't know, I have a 93 performance race tune made by MPT, and I'm gonna show you guys how to put it back to stock form. So let me get it for you, show you. Alright, so this is the SCT tuner that I have a 93 Octane race to from MPT Performance, and I'm going to show you how to put your car back to stock. So if you were to sell the car or you want to sell the tuner, I'll show you how to do that today. So let's get right into it. Alright, so the first thing you want to do is you want to get your tuner, and this cord right here, this is the OBD2 cord. So you're going to plug this into the tuner. Then you're going to take the other end and you're going to go to the bottom, so I can get, if I can see, you can see, which is going to be right under, literally right under the firewall. It's on this side, right here, just like that. And as soon as you do that, this is going to turn on. And it's going to give you the program, gauges, vehicle info, things like that. And what you're going to want to do is, you're going to click Program Vehicle. And as you can see, it tells you return to stock. So if you were to press continue, and if you had another tune on in there, then you can go ahead and, you know, put another tune on. But what we're going to do today is we're going to take this car and put it back to stock. So I'm going to press return to stock. And now it's going to ask me to take my keys and put it in the ignition for 2 to 3 seconds, but do not turn it on. So we're going to put it in the ignition, just like that. Just like that. And we're going to press continue. Confirm the return vehicle back to save stock data. We're going to press continue. So now it's going to unlock the processor. Just like this. And then now it's going to download the ECU tuner. So now what it's doing is it's taking my MPT Performance tune off, and it's putting the stock tune back on. So whenever you tune a car, it takes their stock tune, saves it to this device just in case you want to go back to stock, which is what we're going to do. And now it's putting it back to stock form. So what we're going to do now is we're going to wait, so we're going to wait until this hits 100, and then I'll show you what happens after that. So at 99%, it's going to do this. Clearing DTC. Tune has been complete. Turn key off. Just like that. We're going to press done. And boom. Our car is now back to its stock tune. We're going to go ahead and unplug the OBD2 connector. And just like that, our car is now back to the stock tune. So now, actually, let me plug this in one more time. Let me show you. Alright, so if we go here, this is how you know your car, the tune is not tuned to anything. So we're gonna go to device settings. Oops, we're going to go to device info. And we're going to scroll down, and you're going to see where it says married status. If it says unmarried, that means this tuner is not connected to any car. Once the tune is connected to a car, you're not able to use it on another car. So make sure when you're buying a tuner, it is unmarried. And here's the unlocks you have left. So basically, if it says married, that means it's connected to a car and you're not able to use it. Now we know it's unmarried, it's not connected, so we're able to sell this, or we're able to retune it to another car. So let's go ahead and unplug it. And boom, just like that, the car is back to a stock tune. So we can now put 87 octane in it, and we are good to go. Alright guys, so there you go. That was just a quick video on how to put your car back to its stock tune. I had a lot of questions on the tuner and how it works, and there's not a lot of YouTube videos on it, so I wanted to come on here and make a YouTube video just to show you guys and teach you how to do it. But we are good to go. So we're gonna go drive around for a little bit, get it nice and warm. Good thing is I can go back to 87 octane. I don't have to be on 93 octane since I'm on the stock tune now. But if you have any other questions, if you found this video helpful, guys, would you guys leave a like and a comment so that YouTube will share it with other people? And other than that, we will catch you in the next video. Peace.